Okay, this is the apartment, 2 bedroom, 2 bathroom. We enter into the kitchen. Again, a very spacious kitchen. Can be used for long-term or short-term rentals. It provides an income. Walk into the corridor area. Back room is used for storage. Into the first bathroom. From here we go into the first bedroom. Again, adequate closet space. Then we go to the second bedroom, which is a little larger. Closet space. Comes with an ensuite bathroom. Shower, sink, and toilet. Here we go to dining area. Quite roomy indeed. From here we have a step down into the living area. That door takes you to the back patio. High roof. And that's it. We are on Eagle's Wings, the service that source.